Good morning, boys and girls. Today, let's go over our homework 9.5. I don't think we went over it last time we met, so please check your homework. As always, you need a piece of paper and your workbook, and of course, a pencil. Please turn to page 541 in your workbook. Write the missing numbers in the chart. Be ready to explain how you found the missing numbers. Today, we're going to use place value patterns to mentally count by ones and tens from any given number. Please fill in the empty spaces on the chart. Press pause so that you could fill it in. Okay, boys and girls, so if you filled it in, your chart should look like this. The chart began with 51, and then it ended at 80, and then you had to fill in 81, 84, 86, 87, 88, 90. Then it went to 91, 92, 93, 95, 99. Then it skipped from 100 to 121, 124, 26, 127, 128, 130. Skip down 132, 133, 135, 136, 137, 139, and 140. So this chart went from 51 to 140. We're going to talk about how you can use a chart to help you count by ones and by tens. You can use place value patterns and mental math to count by ones and tens to 100. So on the chart over here, this chart goes from 31 to 57. If you go to the right, it's going by ones. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. The ones digit goes up by 1. Now, if you go down, it goes up by tens. So the 10 digit will change. So now instead of being 37, I go down one more and now it's 47. And 10 more would be 57. What do you think 10 more would be? 10 more would be 67. If I started over here at 33, 10 more was 43, 53, and then I would have 63, 73. You can also use this with the hundreds. This chart goes from 531 to 557. When you move to the right, it's going up by 1, the ones digit. When you're going down, it's going up by tens. So the tens digit's going to change. The 100 digit stays the same. So let's say we started at 537. Another 10 would be 547, 557. And then what would come after? 567. Please turn to page 542. Look at problem number 1. So it went from 784, 785, 786. What's going to come next? 787, 788, then 789, 790. Then it skipped from 790 to 794. So we had 794, and then it went to 795, 96, 97, 98, 99, 800, and then it skipped to 804, 805, 806, 807, 808, 809, 810. But if you look going down, it goes by tens. So let's look over at this. So it started with 786, and then 10 more would be 796, and then 10 more would be 806. If at any time I'm going too fast, please pause your page. Do this one in your notebook. What is the missing number? So we have 421, 431, 441, 451. What digit is changing? Is the hundredths digit changing? Is the tens digit changing? Is the one digits changing? What do you think the next two numbers are going to be? 421, 431, 441, 451, and the next two numbers are 461, 471. Do in your notebook or on your rather just do this one in your notebook. This one isn't in your workbook. Do this on paper. All right, guys. Okay, so now we have 389, 489, 589, 689. What's going to come next? What digit is changing? Good. If you said it's going to be 789 and 889, you are correct. Do problem number 2. Put the video on pause so you could fill it in. The answer would be, if we were going across, we could see that it's 412. Then we have 413. 14, 415, 416, 417, 418. I can even go down by 10. So here's 412, 422, 432. So now we're just going to change the tens digit. It's going to go up by 1. So 423, 433, 414, 424, and then 434, 416, 426, 418, 428, and 438. Show me. Use mental math and place value patterns to write each missing number. What's going to come next in this pattern? 536, 537, 539, 540. If you said 538, you are correct. I saw that only the ones digit changed. Let's look at the next one. 531, 541, blank, 561, 571. What digit is changing? Fill in the missing number. If you said 551, you are correct. Independent work. Please do page 543, problems 4, 6, 8, 10, page 544, 11, 12, 14. Please pause this video while you complete the independent practice. When you are finished, check your work. Pause your video right now. Boys and girls, please check your work. Today you could go on Pearson. You could go on Interactive Student Edition. Please complete it online if you were not at our meeting. Please do the today's challenge. You could rewatch the visual learning. You could also do the enrichment sheet. Don't forget to submit it.